Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Valerie. Our last video introduced our new discount coupons feature for services and fees. And today we're diving into another exciting hotel booking feature available since version 5.0, creating annual repeated seasons with just a click. It's a game changer for managing your bookings year-round. So stick around as I show you how this feature can simplify your operations. And in the upcoming video, we'll cover an extra guest pricing feature that will help you customize rates based on the number of extra guests. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't done this yet and ring the bell to get notifications about new videos. And now, without further delay, let's get started. Before creating annual repeated seasons, let's define a season first. In the context of managing accommodations and pricing, a season refers to a specific period characterized by distinct demand patterns or events that influence how you, as an admin of the site, set your rates and manage bookings. In other words, a season includes a specific range of dates during which a certain rate applies. A season can coincide with the actual season, or it can relate to special occasions. A season can encompass not just the actual day of the event, but a broader time frame where related activities or guest expectations are considered. A season can include or involve an entire month or a focused week around a holiday due to the special nature of the period. So, the exact time frame can vary based on the nature of the period or event and regional preferences. You can create as many seasons as you need for weekends, weekdays, holiday seasons, and so on. But it's not necessary to have so many seasons as I have. For example, you can add only three, like high season, low season, and shoulder season, or just one. So it's up to you. But remember, you need at least one for sure. Anyway, if you're a beginner and just started using hotel booking, we strongly recommend watching Stacy's video first, where she shows how to create seasons. All the relevant links I'll put in the description box below. With our last update, creating annually repeated seasons is easier than ever. Let's walk you through how it works. First, in your dashboard, navigate to Accommodation, Seasons. When you're reviewing the list of your seasons, you'll notice the new repeat column. Now you see all my seasons are not repeated. Not yet. What's more, you can now change the order of your seasons by clicking Start or End. Seasons are now displayed with the newest ones at the top of the list of seasons, and at the same time you can reverse the order and see the oldest seasons first. So, if you have a lot of seasons, you can easily understand which ones are active. So, you can add a new season if needed and make it repeated, or you can make your existing seasons repeated. And for this, you just need to edit them. As an example, I'm going to edit my summer season. Moreover, I should mention here that we strictly insist on keeping all your seasons, including inactive, overdue, unnecessary, and old ones. In any case, it's not correct to delete seasons and rates. Imagine that the site admin wants to edit a booking that uses seasons and rates that has been deleted. Of course, instead of the possibility of editing or viewing some information, a fatal error will occur because those seasons and rates no longer exist. So Don't delete your old seasons, even if you think you don't need them anymore. You need them for better records of your past bookings without gaps or omissions. As you see now, we have here such parameters as repeat and repeat until date. In the repeat section, I choose the annually option to make it automatically repeatable for the next year. Note that annual repeats start on the season's start date and continue for 1 year from the current date. Now let's see this in practice. Today is the 4th of August 2024. The end of the season is the 31st of August 2024. And in August 2025, you see all the dates are unavailable, as well as July and June. So if my summer season is not repeated, my guests won't be able to book any date in summer 2025. Now let's update the season to make it repeated. Then I need to reload the page. Next, I select 2025. As today is the 4th of August 2024, 1 year from the current date is the 4th of August 2025. So we can see that August is only available for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of August, and unavailable on the 5th, 6th, and so on. Okay, so as for July and June, all their dates are available as they should be. So this is actually how it works. If you don't want your season to last for a year, simply select the exact end date in the repeat until date calendar within the same menu to define when the seasonal pricing should end. For example, I want my summer season 2025 to last until July 31st. And after updating, let's check the front end. So here we are. Perfect. And again, one more time, I want to highlight that with these two new perimeters, you can prolong your old overdue seasons, breathe new life into them, reuse them, bring them back to life, and stop them when needed. Don't forget to use this opportunity. And lastly, if we go to the rates menu, you'll see that the duration of each season is now clearly shown in the rate list, providing a quicker overview and better understanding of the currently active seasons. You'll see if your seasons are annually repeated as well. Now we want to know if you're open to the idea of automatically repeating seasons year after year rather than limiting it to just 1 year. Don't hesitate and write us in the comment section below. Your feedback helps us prioritize future features. To wrap up, today we've delved into a great new feature, creating annually repeated seasons. This update simplifies the management of bookings year-round by automatically extending seasonal availability into a subsequent year with just a few clicks. Remember, maintaining records of all seasons, even inactive ones, ensures comprehensive booking management without errors. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on customizing rates for extra guests, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts on expanding this feature for future enhancements. See you next time.